This is Sharplin Falls. After days of rain, it doesn't whisper, it roars. Most would never dare to go upstream, but I'm heading in. What I'm about to see will make you feel part of something bigger. The river isn't just moving, it's alive. Every bend hides a secret. Every ripple carries months of rain. And somewhere ahead, there's a force older than the forest, older than memory, demanding respect. What I'll find is not gentle, it's power, and if you let it, it will make you feel complete. The bush vibrates with energy, mist curls like smoke from fire that never dies. Every branch, every leaf glistens with rain. Even the birds are silent, even they pause. You feel it in your chest, a pulse you cannot ignore. In this environment, you feel part of it, you feel whole, you feel alive. This is nature in command. Step by step, the current pulls, stones slick beneath my boots. Fallen branches jut like warnings. Every step is deliberate. Every misstep punished. And the river tests you. Upstream is never easy. It asks for effort. It demands focus. And it doesn't forgive. But moving with it, moving through it, makes you feel connected, complete. Part of this wild pulse. Do you hear that? The river is no longer gentle. It hammers the rocks like a drum. The gorge tightens. Trees bow over the current. Soaked and heavy, the mist thickens, hiding the next step. You never know what the river will throw at you, and it's alive. And it demands attention. One false step could send me tumbling. The river pulls hard, unrelenting. Most people would turn back here. Upstream isn't about comfort. It's about confronting power, about persistence, about feeling yourself as part of something greater. The mist thickens, the roar grows. Every pulse reminds you, you are small yet alive, complete in your presence here. And here it is, Sharplin Falls, a column of water thundering down the gorge, smashing into a pool below. Every drop strikes like a weight, every pulse shakes the air. You don't just see it, you feel it. The forest bows in silence around it. The river demands respect. And here you realise you are part of it, complete, alive. Nature gives you both power and belonging. Places like this teach humility and presence. You walk against the current, climb slippery rocks, risk everything, and you are reminded you are part of something vast. And then I drink the water, fresh from the stream, cold, clear, life-giving, incredible. Nature has the power to command and destroy, and it also has the gift of sustenance, to give beauty, to give life, to give places like this still untouched, still sacred. We are blessed to have them. We must protect them at all costs. Money cannot replace this. Only respect and care can keep it alive. Tag someone who needs to witness raw power in the way nature makes you feel. Most people drive straight past this, but this is one of the most powerful places in New Zealand. This is Castle Hill, ancient limestone towers, rising from the land like a forgotten world. Once beneath the ocean, now standing above the clouds. You don't just visit this place, you feel it. This is unseen New Zealand. Would you walk here?